is going to be launched at 89,999. I haven't finished yet. Plus a 7,000 rupees cashback offer from ICICI. So this will be at 999 with the offer. And now, it will also come with 15,000 rupees of Jio goodies, which will be a part of the offer. Now let's talk about the Razr 40. 59,999 for the Motorola Razr 40, and with cashback of 5,000 from ICICI, this comes at 54,999. Again, with this, we will have Jio offers worth rupees 15,000. So both the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and the Razr 40 come with the Jio offers of 15,000. So 59,999 is the price, 54,999 with the ICICI, and 15,000 worth from Jio offers.